friends! Today, we're heading to a country full of wildlife, cultures, and beautiful landscapes. South Africa. Many cultures, many languages. South Africa is called the Rainbow Nation because so many cultures and traditions live together here. Can you believe people speak 11 official languages? Some say hello with Sawubona, others say Molo or how's it? And even though everyone is different, they all share something special: pride in their country and community. Wildlife and safaris. South Africa is one of the best places in the world to see wild animals. Families sometimes go on safari to spot the big five: lion, elephant, rhino, buffalo, and leopard. These animals live in big open parks called reserves, where they roam free and wild. Food and family time. South African meals are often shared with big families. A favorite is braai, which is a fun outdoor barbecue. People cook meats over fire and enjoy foods like pap, a soft porridge with tasty stew. Eating together is a time for laughing, storytelling, and feeling close. Time to say goodbye. From wild animals to friendly neighbors, South Africa is full of heart and adventure. Thanks for joining me. See you on our next stop around the world.